jobs in your house that you hate to do because they're just so much work? The Scour Pro from Aslett is going to make all of those jobs so easy you won't believe it, and I'm going to show you how. The Scour Pro has a fade-free battery that runs for up to 30 minutes. And what does that mean? It means that it runs at full power until it needs to be recharged. It comes with this handy recharging unit, and it only takes 30 minutes to be fully recharged. It also comes with white pads for light-duty cleaning. It comes with maroon pads for medium cleaning. It comes for black pads for heavy-duty cleaning, things like floors, concrete, things like that. They may scratch some surfaces, so be sure you test it first. And it also comes with screens for really heavy buildup. That's what you'd want to use on a grill or on concrete, something like that. The unit itself is a very easy to use, lightweight piece. It has a pointed tip so it fits into a lot of different spaces. Even though it's firm bodied, it will fit into tight spaces so you can clean cracks, crevices, even bathtubs. It's water sealed so you can use it indoor and out, and it fits right into the palm of your hand. The button is right here on front and very easy to use. I tried this product myself and couldn't believe what an incredible job it did on my bathrooms. I have big glass shower walls, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll show you how to do floor tiles. I'll show you how to do the bathtub. We've got outside buildup on a bay window. We've got a really dirty utility sink. We've got cooked on grease, baked on, burned on grease on a barbecue, and we've even got some concrete stains, and you can use it for all of that plus more. Just make sure, like I said, that you test the pads on the surface before, because you don't want it to scratch. Let's get started.
Let's start with one of the most common scrubbing jobs. This shower door has been neglected for several months. We started by wetting down the surface and then followed up with a good spray down with Showers and Stuff, our #1 hard water spot remover. Using the white pad with the Scour Pro, it takes no effort. You just guide it over the surface to be clean and it does the work for you. After letting it sit so the product can do its job, we came back over the area with the Scour Pro one more time and then just rinsed the dirt, soap, scum, and hard water spots away. This floor tile has built up dirt, grime, and hairspray. It's not easy to see here, but it's pretty good and dirty. Using a light neutral detergent and the black scrubbing pad with the Scour Pro, we glide over these large tiles in no time, cleaning them completely, even down into the tiny cracks and textures of this type of flooring surface. The unique shape of the Scour Pro allows you to use the edges and pointed tip to reach deep into grout lines, curved surfaces, frame edges, and into corners. For dirt and grime on these smaller bath tiles, we use Showers and Stuff along with the white pad on the Scour Pro again. It not only cleans the tile surface, but the pad also reaches into shallow tile grout to clean everything all at once with no effort at all. This fiberglass sink was left soiled with acrylic paint, and as you can see, it's really built up. We used plain water to see just how strong the scrubbing power of the Scour Pro can be. We wet the surface, and then using this black scrubbing pad, we went to work guiding Scour Pro over the area. We let it work for about 30 seconds or so, then used a microfiber cloth to reveal just how effective this new scrubbing tool is. Okay, it's time to really put Scour Pro to the test. How long would it take you to hand scrub this rust stain from your sidewalk using only water? Well, we weren't willing to try that. We decided to let Scour Pro do the work instead. We sprayed the area down with water, and then using one of the metal mesh screens included in the kit, we went to work breaking down that rust stain. It wasn't easy, so we had to go back over it a couple of times. But in the end, using only water, the Scour Pro removed every bit of that rust stain it could reach. No matter how hard we try, it's impossible to keep the sauce inside the barbecue grill. So what you get is cooked on grease and sugar, Two of the most difficult stuck-on messes there are. We use Soil Master, a popular degreaser, along with the black scrubbing pad on this mess. We guided Scour Pro over the area for about 20 seconds, and then, using a microfiber cloth, we wiped away that sticky, cooked-on mess, and not a bit of hand scrubbing was required. In the Northwest, we've got some of the hardest water around, and every year I get sprinkler overspray on my windows outside. Because of the heat and dryness, it builds up extremely fast and hard like you see on here. I grabbed once over a hard water remover formulated for outdoor windows and the maroon scrubbing pad for Scour Pro. I then wet down the surface using water, put a dab of once over on the scrubbing pad and went to work. Scour Pro did its job for about 20 seconds on the small area I was cleaning. Then I used just a microfiber cloth to wipe away the mess and the hard water stains were gone. I finished the entire set of bay windows without sweating in under 5 minutes. Now I think that's amazing.
Now that you've seen what this can do, you'll agree with me that it's incredible. Anytime you need more muscle with less work, you'll reach for the Scour Pro. Pick up your Scour Pro today from Don Aslett's Cleaning Center.